Kumar. Number 4, Kanhaiya Kumar. Number 5, Amritpal Singh. Number 5, Amritpal Singh, independent. Number 6, Ashwini Vaishnav. Number 6, Ashwini Vaishnav. Number 7, Manish Tiwari. Number 7, Manish Tiwari. Number 8, Anurag Singh Thakur. Number 8, Anurag Singh Thakur. Number 9, Kalyan Banerjee. Number 9, Kalyan Banerjee. Number 10, G. Kishan Reddy. Number 10, G. Kishan Reddy. 11, T. R. Balu. Number 11, T. R. Balu. Number 12, किरण बेदी. किरण बेदी यहां पे कहां से आ गए? किरण रिजिजू. हाँ जी, कोई गल सर जयराम जी कोई बात. ऑपोजिशन ऑपोजिशन जयराम रमेश लिखो ऑपोजिशन 11 है. 12 नंबर ते किरण रिजिजू नु 11. किरण रिजिजू 11. Okay. Then we have number 12. Okay, number 13, Sudeep Bandyopadhyay. Number 13, Sudeep Bandyopadhyay. Number 14, Bansuri Swaraj. Number 14, Bansuri Swaraj. Number 15, Sugata Roy. Number 15, Sugata Roy. Number 16, Annapurna Devi. Number 16, Annapurna Devi. Number 17, K. Sudhakaran. Number 17, K. Sudhakaran. Number 18, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Number 18, Ravi Shankar Prasad. 19, K. Venkatesan ma'am. S. Venkatesan, number 19. S. Venkatesan, number 19. Manoj Tiwari, number 20. Manoj Tiwari, number 20. Charanjit Singh Channi, 21. Charanjit Singh Channi, 21. Last किहड़ा ऐड कीता है? नहीं, हुण इत्थों किहड़ी आई सी लास्ट? चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी हो गया. जेड़ा एक आया है उसका नोट नहीं हुआ विच. लास्ट सर वॉलंटियर मेरे पास जो भी आए थे, लास्ट किसका नाम बताया आपने? विनायक राउत 23. किसी का रह गया हो नाम? किसी का नाम जनरल स्पीकर लिस्ट में रह गया हो? जीएसएल का नाम किसी का रह गया हो? सो वी आर डन विद द जीएसएल. We'll be starting with the opening speech. Number 1 will be Nitin Gadkari. Ma'am, please start. Sir, please maintain the time. Mic on kijiye, sir.
Honorable Speaker and esteemed parliamentarians, today we deliberate on the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India, which is not merely an economic policy. It is a national there is much more transform India's transport sector from dependency to self-sufficiency, and in doing so, paving the road to a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Next we have Raghav Chadha ji.
Honorable Speaker, sir, esteemed jury members, and respected parliamentarians. मैं राघव चड्डा आत्मनिर्भर भारत ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਰੱਖਣ ਆਇਆ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਕਾਗਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਜ਼ਮੀਨੀ ਹਕੀਕਤ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਕੀਮ ਆਮ ਜਨਤਾ ਲਈ ਨਾ ਆਤਮਨਿਰਭਰਤਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਨਾ ਰੋਜ਼ਗਾਰ Speaker, sir, the government announced a 20 lakh of package, पर असल विच की मिलिया ना रोजगार ना राहत सिर्फ लोन MSMEs were promised support but 40% of them couldn't access the benefit. Farmers were told they would be empowered, but even today income costs are rising and MSPs is still a dream for many. Youth were promised jobs, instead they lost the job. Speaker, sir, ਇਹ ਸਕੀਮ ਨੇ ਜਨਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਜ਼ੇਦਾਰ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਆਤਮਨਿਰਭਰ ਨਹੀਂ We were told this scheme would reduce import, but imports from China have increased in the past few years. This isn't Atmanirbhar, this is import nirbhar. Atmanirbhar slogan ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ, solid solution ਨਾਲ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Speaker, sir, we aren't against the idea of self-reliance. We are against inefficiency, mismanagement, marketing done on the name of Atmanirbhar. At last, I just want to say that कि ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਆਤਮਨਿਰਭਰ ਭਾਰਤ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ
सर नेक्स्ट स्पीकर कौन है शिवराज सिंह चौहान प्लीज स्टार्ट कन्हैया कुमार जी प्लीज तैयार रहिए जयराम रमेश जी की लास्ट पे होगी
Honorable Speaker, respected members of the Cabinet and fellow members of the Parliament, I am Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Rural Development. It is my privilege to represent the millions of Annadata, our development, our farmers and the vibrant rural communities that are backbone of Bharat. Today, as we discuss the strategies for strengthening Atmanirbhar Bharat, I am reminded of Mahatma Gandhi's words, हिंदुस्तान को आत्मनिर्भर होना सीखना ही होगा. This vision of self-reliance is not just an economic policy but a national resolve. In agriculture, the government has empowered over 3 crore farmers with rupees 4.22 lakh crore in loans and created rupees 1.5 lakh crore agricultural infrastructure fund, ensuring our villages become the engine of growth. In manufacturing, schemes like the Production Linked Incentive (PLI) and collateral-free loans of rupees 3 lakh crore to MSMEs have boosted local industries, generating millions of jobs and making India a global manufacturing hub. Healthcare and digital infrastructure have been revolutionized. 80 crore people received free rations and 20 crore women benefited from Jan Dhan accounts. Prime Minister Modi has said, आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान का लक्ष्य है भारत को दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी सैन्य शक्ति बनाना और आधुनिक सैन्य उद्योग विकसित करना ही आत्मनिर्भर भारत का लक्ष्य है. जय हिंद.
switch off on karo sir. Just 1 second please, 1 second please, 1 second wait, hold. Sir Kanhaiya Kumar ji. Okay, next we have Kanhaiya Kumar ji. और बता दूं कि अगर रूलिंग एंड ऑपोजिशन कुछ कंसेंसस डिस्कशन करना चाहती है तो वो जा सकती है. और ये महान हस्ती कौन है? मोहित्रा जी, ये क्या किया? रिटर्न में देना था मैडम, प्रिंटेड में नहीं. पेन दीजिए प्लीज रेड. सर शिवराज जी स्टार्ट कीजिए। अगर कोई कुछ कंसेंसस बनाना चाहता है तो जाके बना लीजिए, आपके पास टाइम है। पार्लियामेंट्री इंक्वायरी के लिए प्ले कार्ड रेज कीजिए जी। स्टार्ट का वर्बल में होगा, मैं बताऊंगा आपको जी। कन्हैया कुमार जी, कन्हैया जी स्टार्ट। एक मिनट, नेक्स्ट आफ्टर कन्हैया कुमार अमृतपाल सिंह, प्लीज डाइस पे आ जाइए। सर स्टार्ट।
जब तक देश ਵਿੱਚ ਭੁੱਖ ਹੈ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਜੰਗ ਹੈ। ਮਾਨਯੋਗ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਲੋਕਤੰਤਰ ਦੇ ਸੰਸਦ ਮੈਂਬਰੋ, ਮੈਂ ਕਨ੍ਹਈਆ ਕੁਮਾਰ ਇਹ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਭਾਜਪਾ ਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਤਾਨਾਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਦੀ ਲਹਿਰ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਖੇਤ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ। ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਲੋਕ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰਵਾਦ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਬੇਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਹਨ, ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਔਰਤਾਂ ਅਸੁਰੱਖਿਅਤ ਹਨ, ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਦਲਿਤ ਆदिवासी ਤੇ ਗਰੀਬ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਰਸਦੇ ਹਨ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰਵਾਦ ਝੂਠਾ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਲਾਮੀ ਦੇ ਵਕਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੁੱਪ ਰਹੇ, ਪਰ ਤਾਨਾਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਝੁਕਾਂਗੇ। ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਨੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਨੂੰ ਆਜ਼ਾਦ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ, ਅੱਜ ਉਹ ਲੋਕਤੰਤਰ ਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਲੜ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡੀ ਜੰਗ ਹੈ ਨਫ਼ਰਤ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ, ਝੂਠ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ, ਅਣਸੁਣੇ ਹੱਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਰ ਕੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਚੀਖ ਕੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਇਨਕਲਾਬੀ ਹਾਂ। ਇਨਕਲਾਬ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next, we have Amritpal Singh ji.
Honorable Speaker and respected members of this House, I speak today as a son of this soil, not a politician. This soil that has given martyrs, farmers and freedom fighters. Atmanirbhar Bharat sounds good, but kiske liye? Are we building self-reliance for the common man or for the corporate? Because today, even a small shopkeeper is still fighting for survival, while billion-dollar companies are getting tax breaks. We say we are Atmanirbhar in defense, but 36% of our defense budget still goes to imports. In agriculture, Punjab's farmers who feed this country are still dying by suicide, and in the name of progress, we are turning our backs on the very people who built this nation. You want true Atmanirbharta, then empower the ground level workers, the youth who's jobless even after a degree, the farmers who feed us but eats last. Don't sell our dreams from AC boardrooms. Come stand where we stand, come to the borders where farmers sat in protest, come to the factories shutting down. वो है असली आत्मनिर्भरता, हक, इज्जत और स्वराज के बारे में, और वो स्लोगन से नहीं आएगी. It will come from honesty, equality and fearless leadership. भारत तभी आत्मनिर्भर बनेगा जब हर आम आदमी को लगे कि हाँ, ये देश मेरा भी है. Thank you.
Fellow Indians, I am Ashni Vaishno and I want you all to look around you. See the wheels turning and the engines roaring. That is the heartbeat of a self-reliant India. And at its very core lies our mighty railway network. For generations, it has been the lifeline connecting our vast nation, weaving together cultures, economies and dreams. Today, we are not just maintaining this legacy, we are propelling it into the future with Indian ingenuity and strength. Projects like the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail are not just about speed, they are a testament to our ambition. Electrification is expanding our reach, the Kavach system is enhancing safety, and Vande Bharat trains showcase our speed and innovation. Consider also the silent revolution happening in the palms of our hands, the Unified Payments Interface or UPI. Developed entirely in India, UPI has transformed how we transact, empowering millions with seamless and secure digital payments. It reduces our reliance on foreign payments and fostering a truly digital and self-reliant economy. From modernizing existing lines to building new corridors, and from revolutionizing payments with UPI to developing cutting-edge digital solutions, every step we take strengthens our self-reliance. Let us celebrate the vital role of our railways and our digital advancement in this journey towards a truly self-reliant nation. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have sir naam Manish Tiwari. Later on, followed by Anurag Singh Thakur, followed by Kalyan Banerjee. Manish Tiwari ji, followed by Chirag Paswan. नहीं, अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर, सॉरी, हो गई वैष्णव जी की. आप मनीष तिवारी जी के बाद आएंगे हमारे पास अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर, उनके बाद आएंगे कल्याण बैनर्जी. स्टार्ट.
3 बीमारियां
स्पीकर साहब, 3 बीमारियां: पैसा लूटने वाली अर्थव्यवस्था, आवाज दबाने वाली तानाशाही और नफरत उगलवाने वाला समाज. The so-called Viksit Bharat, in which education robbed off, opportunities ripped off, and the youth is left to weep. और फिर मोदी जी कहते हैं, हमारे प्यारे देशवासियों, Honorable Speaker, despite a substantial defense budget allocation of rupees 5.94 lakh crore of 2023-24, India remains the world's largest importer, accounting for 9.8% of global imports between 2019 and 24. और तो और संध्या जी ने कल दावा किया कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेक्टर में हम सेल्फ रिलायंट है, पर इनका सेल्फ रिलायंस का जश्न तो मेड इन चाइना के स्टिकर पर चलता है. देन नाडा जी, हैज योर डेस्टिनी टू आस्क, तो सरकार करे क्या? सिंपल, लोकतंत्रता वापस कर दो या फिर अपनी कुर्सी छोड़ दो. We don't need grand declarations, we need grains in the godowns. We don't need vision documents, we need viable delivery. That is the Bharat I stand for. That is the Bharat I speak for, and that is the Bharat we must strive for. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, start. Anurag ji.
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, I, Anurag Singh Thakur, am a dedicated member of Bharatiya Janata Party. I belong to Hamipur constituency of Himachal Pradesh and had been Union Minister of Information, Broadcasting and Youth Affairs and Sports and numerous other posts. It is an honor for me to share our vision for building a great self-reliant India. Since the launch of Atmanirbhar Bharat in May 2020, this mission isn't just a policy, it's a revolutionary push to transform India into a self-reliant and a competitive global nation. We are learning and developing from the world's finest, not to copy, but to improve and innovate. From South Korea, we adopt the model of building national champions. Our very own Adanis and Tatas are plowing money in EVs and semiconductors under the PLI scheme. With a 3 lakh crore outlay in nudging manufacturing in high priority areas like electronics, pharma and telecom. We learned the planning of urban infrastructure from Singapore and implemented via Gati Shakti and smart cities. We learned tech sovereignty from China, hence UPI, ONDC and Made in India 5G are solution to a world tech dependency. We learn national priority planning by sovereignty wealth through UAE. Likewise, we need to use proceeds of divestment in futuristic sectors such as green hydrogen. And then there's wind and solar from Denmark. And we are copying and implying their model as PM Kusum and green energy corridors. All that aside, through Atmanirbhar Bharat is about pride, dignity and purpose. It's everyone's responsibility, be you a startup founder, an agriculturist or a student. Let's build an India that inspires not just on GDP but on grit. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Next we have Kalyan Banerjee, please start, followed by
देश ने कहा अपने दम पे उठो, पर हाथ में था ना औजार कोई. देश ने कहा अपने दम पे उठो, पर हाथ में था ना औजार कोई. जहां सपने बिकते हो ऑनलाइन, वहां मेहनत की कीमत क्या कोई. Honorable Speaker and respected parliamentarian, myself Kalyan Banerjee, the leader of All India Trinamool Congress, I would like to bring attention of Parliament towards failure of Atmanirbhar Bharat. When slogan Atmanirbhar Bharat was launched, it echoed hope of jobs, self-reliance and future where India youth would lead from the front. But where is that future? Startups are shutting down. Local businesses, instead of becoming global giants, are barely surviving. Despite call for reducing import dependence of China, India import from China increased, especially in electronics, machinery and chemicals. We were told to be vocal for local, yet our market is still flooded with imports. We want to build, but tools never reached. We wanted to rise, but ladder went missing. Atmanirbharta can't just be a slogan, it must be a system of support, of opportunities, of real action. Until policy meets practically, dream will remain just that, a dream. A slogan may ignite a spark, but only action can light the fire of true self-reliance. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next we have Kalyan G. Kishan Reddy ji, followed by T.R. Balu ji, followed by Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju ji. T.R. Balu ji, please be on the stage, and Kiran Rijiju ji, please ready for your speech. Yeah, start ready. Oh yes. हाँ.
भारत माँ का सपना सच होगा, आत्मनिर्भरता का युग होगा, हर दिल में ये आशा जगाएंगे, आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाएंगे. Honorable Speaker and respected parliamentarians, greetings of the day. I, Gangapuram Kishan Reddy. The Ministry of Coal and Mines is writing a new story in its coal fields and mineral deposits to build a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. India is endowed with some of the world's largest coal and mineral reserves. Despite this, we have faced the paradox of importing critical minerals. It is a time for change, and the call for Atmanirbhar Bharat ensures that India rises as a global leader in self-sufficiency. Commercial coal mining has opened up opportunities for private companies to come up. It increases the coal production and reduces the reliance of India on imports. Investment of over 40,900 crore and the creation of over 4 lakh jobs were possible due to this initiative. Various other policies and initiatives have been taken up to help the nation become self-sufficient. The vision for a self-reliant India focuses on skills and awareness, where people could unleash their potential. In conclusion, I believe that the Ministry of Coal and Mines is not just laying the foundation for India's energy security, but is also creating the foundation for a self-reliant India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you. Next we have T.R. Balu, followed by Sir T.R. Balu, followed by Kiran Rijiju ji on the lower dice, followed by Sudeep Bandyopadhyay. Please be ready. So start.
Good morning, Honorable Speaker and members of the Lok Sabha. I stand before you to speak on various problems of the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. This scheme is working contradictory to its name. This scheme is unable to reach the grassroots level. The farmers are not receiving its benefits, and the MSMEs, the essential part of this scheme, is not receiving the loans due to strict loans eligibility and collateral eligibility. In the end, I would like to say that with rupees being the all-time low, it is impossible to attract foreign investment market to invest in India. And with imports being all-time high, it is difficult to increase the GDP and economy of the nation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Four. Then we have T.R. Balu. Done? Yes, we have. Kiran Rijiju ji, please start.
Respected Honorable Chairperson and esteemed delegates, I am Kiran Rijiju, Member of Parliament from Arunachal West and a proud representative of Bharatiya Janata Party, committed to nationalism, inclusive growth and clean governance. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we are building a strong, united and self-reliant India. As a former Minister of Law and Justice, Youth Affairs and now Earth Science, I have worked to connect policy with people and promote science and youth-driven growth. Our government has prioritized inclusive development, including for our minority communities through schemes like Nai Manzil, Nai Roshni, Padho Pradesh and Ustad, promoting skill development, education and traditional arts. Through Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, Make in India and PLS schemes, we have empowered startups, MSMEs and rural industries. Exports hit a record of $778 billion in 2023 and defense exports have surged to 21,000 crore, making it 23-fold rise since 2014. Initiatives like ODOP Startup India are fueling grassroots innovation and entrepreneurship. This is सबका साथ सबका विकास in action. मेड इन चाइना की बात वो तो ना ही करें जिन्होंने हमारी जमीन जिनकी वजह से आज हमारी जमीन चाइना दबा के बैठा है. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Then we have Sudeep Bandyopadhyay. Start.
जब देश को एकता की जरूरत थी तब इस सरकार ने सिर्फ अपना स्वार्थ देखा. आज हम ये सवाल उठाने आए हैं किस दिशा में ले जा रहे हैं हमें ये नेता. Good morning, Honorable Speaker and respected members of the Parliament. I am Sudeep Bandyopadhyay. The BJP's privatization agenda is a threat to India's economic sovereignty. By the selling of public sector enterprises, they are not only comprising national security but also putting millions of jobs at risk. The BJP claims privatization will boost economic growth, but the reality is that it will only enrich corporate giants at the expense of the common man. The sale of Air India, BPCL and other PSUs has already led to massive job losses and uncertainty. We, the Congress Party, firmly against this reckless privatization drive. We believe in protecting the public sector, which has been the backbone of India's economic development. We will not let the BJP's ideology-driven policies dismantle our nation's heritage. Let us work together to build an India that belongs to all, not just the privileged few. Reject privatization, protect public sector, and let's build a prosperous India for all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Ms. Bansuri Swaraj, followed by Sugata Roy, followed by Annapurna Devi. Please be ready with your speeches. Sir, please start. Bansuri Swaraj ji. Ms. Bansuri Swaraj, please come. Sugata Roy ji, please come on the upper dais. बांसुरी स्वराज जी स्टार्ट।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं बांसुरी स्वराज आपका धन्यवाद करती हूं कि इतने महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे पर मुझे अपना मत रखने का अवसर मिला और मैं ये मानती हूं कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत केवल एक नारा नहीं है। It's a mindset, a mission and a moment towards a future where India depends on no one but herself. Launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2020, it was born during one of the toughest global crises, the COVID-19 pandemic. 2020 में जब पूरी दुनिया इस वायरस से लड़ रही थी, तब हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आत्मनिर्भर भारत की दिशा में आगे बढ़ने का आह्वान किया. It was a call to action. Now, let me be very clear. Being आत्मनिर्भर doesn't mean closing ourselves to the world. इसका मतलब है कि हम अपने पैरों पर खड़े होकर दुनिया की आंखों में आंखें डालकर कहें कि भारत किसी से कम नहीं. It means choosing made in India, not out of any compulsion, but out of conviction. चाहे वो कोरोना में खुद पीपीई किट बनाना हो, यूपीआई जैसे सिस्टम को विश्व में पहचान दिलाना, या फिर देशी तकनीकी से तेजस जैसे लड़ाकू विमान बनाना, हमने हर क्षेत्र में ये दिखाया है कि भारत जब ठान ले तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. एंड आई कोट, आत्मनिर्भर भारत is not just for big industry, but small businesses as well. The young innovators, the entrepreneurs who are the real heroes of this journey. Let's not wait for the change. Let's be the change. आखिर में बस यही कहना चाहूंगी कि भाजपा इसका समर्थन करती थी और हमेशा करती रहेगी. धन्यवाद.
Honorable Speaker, I, Sugata Roy, stand before you today to speak on an important topic, strengthening the agenda of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is not just a slogan, it is vision to make India strong, independent and capable to do not depend on other countries. To make this dream a reality, we need to focus on few key factors like education and skill development. A self-reliant India needs a skilled workforce, better education system, promote vocational training and entrepreneurship at a young age. Manufacturing and industries. India should become a hub for making goods from electronics to machines. We support local industry through schemes like Made in India, give them tax benefit and ease to rules for doing business. Respected member, Atmanirbhar Bharat is not just a government mission. It is a national movement. It needs the participation of every citizen, every sector, and every state. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Then we have now Annapurna Devi ji, followed by K. Sudhakaran, followed by Ravi Shankar Prasad ji. Please be ready with your speeches. Thank you. Ma'am, start.
Honorable Speaker and respected members of the House, आज मैं अन्नपूर्णा देवी इसे एक सम्मान समझती हूँ कि अपने भारत की महिलाओं की तरफ से मैं यहाँ आप सबके सामने खड़ी हूँ. As a proud member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, I stand firmly behind the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India built on strength, resilience and opportunity for all. This has been implemented through schemes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, PM Mudra Yojana, and I would like to support this statement by stating that 69% of the loans have been granted to women entrepreneurs, highlighting the scheme's role in advancing women-led enterprises. महिलाओं के लिए डिजिटल पोर्टल और सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स के थ्रू नए अवसर भी पैदा किए गए हैं. आत्मनिर्भर भारत एक विजन, एक स्कीम जरूर है, पर ये एक डिग्निटी का सवाल भी है. It's about making independence and self-reliance a reality for our mothers and sisters in our Bharat. Dhanyavad.
Thank you, sir. Then we have K. Sudhakaran, ma'am. Start.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I am K. Sudhakaran. Well, I really wish to talk about the Statue of Unity, which was made in Gujarat. It was the project in which 2063 crore to 3000 crore rupees were being washed out, which have only given a lot of tourism to our country, which I don't think is worth it, because there was no economic growth and was seen by that project. Now, if we talk about some basics, we all know definitely with the increase in economic growth, there is increase in demands. Demands like roti, kapda and makan can be fulfilled by little earnings. For that, we are independent and saksham. But what about oil, gas, fuel, etc.? They all come from fossil fuels, and for that, coal, gas, oil, all are imported. So basically, by becoming nirbhar on other countries, we call India Atmanirbhar. With that, there is obviously increased inequality for the Ambanis and Adanis. There is lack of skills. At last, I would like to say that India is not ready to become a Atmanirbhar country. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker and esteemed delegates, I am Ravi Shankar Prasad, Member of Parliament from Patna Sahib constituency, Bihar. I am from Bharatiya Janata Party, a party devoted to nationalism, development and clean governance. Inspired by the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we are dedicated to Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, all Indians, progress. I have served as Union Minister of Law and Justice, Electronics and IT, and Communications. My attempts has been to modernize India's legal system, push digital penetration and connectivity, empowering citizens with technology and good policy. My own constituency, Patna Sahib, is rich with cultural heritage, and I am as much devoted as ever to its ambition and progress. Our government has been the driving force behind Atmanirbhar Bharat, introducing the likes of Make in India, PLI schemes, and Digital India, networking more than 6 lakh villages online. Startups are booming, MSMEs are expanding, and India is rapidly becoming a world hub of innovation. I think the youth are the builders of this new India, bold, visionary, and unstoppable. Thank you.
Respect of Chair and the members of the Parliament, respected, I am Venkateshan from Communist House Party of India. Atmanirbhar Bharat. As of today, a new scheme called Atmanirbhar Bharat has been released. Yes, I agree, but the point is the project was launched in 2020. But even today, we cannot see any significant improvement in the states of small enterprises. This was meant to be a free and fair system where the people actually got a chance to expand their global business. But what we can see today in that the government has been support domestic industries. Subsidies are used as incentives to get global business leaders into India. False hope has been given to small business who got hope from government, consistently crashing, thus reducing their income also. And in it take place a few big industries are being favored. They already have money, but why are not small business are being supported? This is a big unfair advantage. How can we talk of corporation-free country where the government launches schemes just to promote their large business of their friends, not of the small business people? It is a all game about of money. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker and respected members of the House, Atmanirbhar Bharat or Self-Reliant India is a vision that resonates deeply with every Indian. It's about building a nation that stands on its own feet, harnessing its strength and overcoming its weaknesses. As we strive for self-reliance, we must focus on innovation, entrepreneurship, and sustainable development. By promoting local industries, we can create jobs, stimulate economic growth, and reduce our dependency on imports. Atmanirbhar Bharat is not about isolationism, it's about being competitive, resilient, and adaptable in a rapidly changing world. It's about leveraging our unique strengths, preserving our cultural heritage, and showcasing our excellence to the world. Let us work together to build a self-reliant India where every citizen has access to opportunities, resources, and support. Let us work together to build a self-reliant India where every citizen has access to opportunities, resources, and support. Let us celebrate our diversity, foster innovation, and emerge as a global leader. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Honorable Speaker and my fellow parliamentarians, I am Charanjit Singh Channi and I am here to present my views on Atmanirbhar Bharat. आत्मनिर्भर भारत सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन जरा इसकी जमीनी हकीकत तो देख लें. BJP promised self-reliance, but what they delivered was joblessness. What they delivered was privatization and corporate monopolies. Small businesses were destroyed by demonetization, battered by poor implementation of GST, and finally buried by COVID mismanagement without any real relief. Are we really on the path to make Bharat Atmanirbhar when India is importing record levels of electronics, defense equipment, oil, and many other things? MSPs are still gasping for credit, and farmers, the true backbone of India, are being ignored, not empowered. इथे वादे करके भुल्ले जा रहे ने. ब्लैक मनी ਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਵਾਦਾ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਦੇ ਬੈਂਕ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ 15 ਲੱਖ ਪਾਏ ਜਾਣੇ ਸੀ. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ? ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਪੀਪਲ ਪਾਵਰਡ ਇਕਨੋਮੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਹੈਡਲਾਈਨ ਇਕਨੋਮੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ. ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਆਰਟੀਆਈ, ਨਰੇਗਾ, ਫੂਡ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ, ਇਨਕਲੂਸਿਵ ਲਿਬਰਲਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਨੇ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਨੂੰ ਤਗੜਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਨਾ ਕਿ ਬਿਲੀਅਨਰਸ ਨੂੰ. हमें आत्मनिर्भरता नहीं, आत्म सम्मान की अर्थव्यवस्था चाहिए, जहां हर हाथ में काम, हर आवाज में सम्मान मिले. साडी ताकत लोकां विच है, लोकां तो ऊपर नहीं. सानू चुनिया गया है लोकां दी सेवा करन लई, दोस्ती निभाउण लई नहीं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
जननी आत्मनिर्भरता या समता वितरणाय परिवर्तते, which means this is true. Self-reliance which walks the path of equity and inclusion. The vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat was just launched with the noble intention of making equality and integrity. और यहाँ पर इकोनॉमी बूस्टिंग के नाम पर फ्रेंडशिप बनाई जा रही है. अरे सर, जितना नीता अंबानी के बुलाने पर जाते हो उतना नॉर्थ ईस्ट के स्टेट्स में जाते तो आज कंट्री की इक्वालिटी बनी रहती. And let me remind you some unanswered data. Hathras gang rape in which in 2020 Uttar Pradesh, she was a Dalit girl, so BJP denied the rape guilty. NCB report, crimes against women increased by 31% over the last decade in BJP Sarkar. After many unanswered topics, they are focused on bulldozer chalana. Discriminatory bulldozer demolitions in UP and MP and parts of Delhi. This is an illegal offense और ये कहते हैं instant justice with no compensate or restoration for innocent victims. और इंडिया की मीडिया की बात करें तो 159 out of 180 तो इनकी रैंकिंग है और जो जेन्युइन नेता हैं BBC एंड NDTV के वो जेल में सड़ रहे हैं. जनता अंधी है सर until वो अंत भक्त ना हो. कुर्सी के खातिर सब कुछ भुला दिया, जनता के सपनों को धुएं में उड़ा दिया. विकास के वादे थे केवल कहानी, सच तो ये है बस बड़ी बेरोजगारी और महंगाई की रवानी. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. I would be quickly busting the myth that Atmanirbhar Bharat, which was otherwise established to make India a self-reliant economy, is far, far behind the imagination and invention of slogans. And I am very sorry and sad to be saying this. Yesterday in the discussion, we did not have as much as facts discussed about we working as an economy. It was more of a political debate. Many things were missed out yesterday. Clearly, we did not talk about the increase in the repo rate, the decrease in the repo rate by the RBI, which are at this point at the most important things. I'm not here to deliver any kind of speech that is flamboyant, but I just want to make a request so that everybody hears this very sincerely and as a nation act in a way that progresses this nation. It is clear that Make in India or the Atmanirbhar Bharat has not been able to achieve that level of success that it intended. So basically, it is the high time that they admit this fact and work conclusively with all of us participating in it. Thank you so much.
Now, this is the time. Our opening speeches are completed. So now we are having the answers of the POIs. रख लो इन बात नोट कर दे. Organizing committee, Secretary General, please approach the dais. Secretary General, please approach the dais. Any consensus made? Delegates? Any consensus made? What? तीन टॉपिक्स एक साथ. ये किसका आइडिया? इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिविजुअल. हु आर द बोथ साइड? दोनों में से हेड कौन है अभी इस टाइम पे इस डिस्कशन में? फिर भी एक फ्रंट मैं करो, मैं कौन सा नंबर दूंगा इसके? जो भी हेड हो. आपकी तरफ से किसने डेलिब्रेट किया? आपने. आपकी तरफ से गुड गुड. लिखकर ये वाला एजेंडा भी सबमिट कीजिए. हम लिखकर एजेंडा सबमिट कीजिए प्लीज. पूछो फटाफट पूछो फटाफट. सो यू ऑल आर रिक्वेस्टेड. आपको हो सकता है अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस 4 मिले हों, 5 मिले हों. आप सारे के सारे फ्री हैं. आप सबको पूरी अथॉरिटी है. आप सिर्फ 2 अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस का आंसर करेंगे जो बेस्ट होंगे. राइट? अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चन भी 2 ही आंसर करेंगे. स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन भी वर्बली 2 ही आंसर करेंगे. आपको मिल चुके हैं सारे क्वेश्चन. जिसका चाहे उसका कीजिए. देन अपने स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन एंड अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जो हैं आपने लंच ब्रेक के बाद सबमिट करने. जो पहला काम है वो करेंगे. नहीं, सिर्फ पहले टॉपिक एजेंडा. अनस्टार्ट चिट में आएगा. स्टार्ट 2 ही करने. जितने भी आए हो अपने 2 ही आंसर करने हैं. बेस्ट 2 आंसर कर दो कोई भी. आप भी मैम जो स्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस आए हैं उसके 2 ही आंसर करने हैं. कोई भी कर दो बेस्ट. Dear delegates, this is to announce you that the house is suspended for 10 minutes till 10:30. We will be starting with the next session, session 3, which will be a formal public session. The next session will be public session. Proper parliamentary ROP will be followed. The people who are present in this session will be allowed to present, sit and speak in next one. So you all are requested to kindly lobby. Your tea will be arranged within 5 minutes. आपको 5 मिनट के अंदर अंदर अपनी चाय पानी पीजिए, लॉबी कीजिए और वापस आइए. So किसी की कोई क्वेरी, कोई क्वेश्चन? जी सर. आगे देनी है सर. अलाउड है, डिसमिस्ड है? अलाउड है. वॉलंटियर्स तो गलती हुई है. वॉलंटियर्स सर जिन्होंने गई है 2 ਨੂੰ सब में डिलीवर करो फ्रॉम नहीं. सो यू ऑल आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू डिस्कस. अभी जिसकी अटेंडेंस लग गई ओके. इस सेशन के बाद नो वन इज एंटरटेन, नो वन विल बी अलाउड. थैंक यू.